Vaping has come into the national spotlight again. People have been infected with what health officials are calling vaping-related illnesses. Tonight, health officials held a public meeting in Henderson to discuss the potential risk associated with vaping. Eyewitness's Grace Haba was at that meeting for us. She's here now with the details. Grace?
Brandon, more than 50 people have died nationwide due to vaping-related illnesses. The most recent case that was reported was in January in Kentucky. Tonight, parents, students, and staff with the Henderson County school system met with medical professionals to hear about the impact of vaping on lung health.
It's those THC cartridges that you think we might be talking about as well.
According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, there have been more than 2,600 lung injury cases linked to vaping that required hospitalization. Of those, 59 people have died.
It's tough to fight that money. It's tough to fight those folks who are going to the legislators and saying, hey, this is safer than cigarettes.
Now, Henderson County schools are trying to tackle the issue here at home.
It seems like that the target population is the teenage years. We know that that's when we're most susceptible to develop bad habits that last with us lifelong.
People were invited to attend a forum discussing the effects of vaping. According to the New York Times, vaping-related emergency room visits around the country peaked in September, most involving those aged 18 to 24.
It's kind of that just new in vogue thing. So if you ask a generation or two ahead of us, smoking was the thing for them.
I was one of those youngsters that started with combustibles in my teen years. Peer pressure, all the media, ads for cigarettes, and the same thing happened for our young people.
The Trump administration announcing in January they're pulling flavored vape cartridges from shelves. Individual states working on bans of their own.
The government's taken away some of the flavorings, and we've still seen usage in non-flavored. So it's just that that's a real susceptible age range to develop bad habits.
Vaping came into the United States in 2007, but its popularity spiked in recent years. So, Brandon, compared to cigarettes and other tobacco products, when it comes to vaping, there just isn't a long enough history to really show what all of the long-term effects could be.
Yeah, well, does the state of Kentucky offer any programs to help people stop vaping?
They do. They have a few. They have one called Quit Now Kentucky, My Life, My Quit, and This Is Quitting. You can find the links to all of those services on our website, tristatehomepage.com.
So there is help out there. All right, Grace, thank you.